Manen Governor ma Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu dhininde tesendo bila mapangani bango bila maki odiochieng' ma kawuono. Waititu maki kaise kuom golo dhok makoro nyalo siayo oganda e gwenge mar Ruiru otieno mar Jumapil. Motelo ywaruok no nene log tich mar obila mar okwach kech DCI e kinde mano otam kweth magazi miyo kotene kod Kalonzo Musyoka donjo mar ng'eyo gima omiyo ne omak Waititu. Kopogre kod golo weche manyalo siyo oganda, Waititu bende koni osebedo kanyawo timbe moko machiko kopuodho kokalo e mbui.
Can you communicate to us? I'm asking.
Any unexplained arrest like that of grabbing Mheshimiwa Waititu and shepherding him to DCI headquarters is nothing short of an abduction, because we don't think it follows due process. They could have gone to court, obtained orders, looked for him, right? But we have come to say no. These abductions must stop.
Told that he was arrested pursuant to some remarks that were made yesterday in a function in Ruiru, and they were therefore attributing those sentiments to our client. They of course confiscated his phone forcibly, and they disclosed that they also saw it from the internet.